Are you a medical student drowning in textbooks and assignments? We've got you covered. Dive into our top picks for the best laptops to power your medical journey in 2024. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Apple MacBook Air M2 2022. It's not unusual to see an Apple laptop at the top of one of these charts, but we prefer the MacBook Air as the best option for medical students, not the MacBook Pro. There are several reasons why. Weighing just 2.7 or 3.3 pounds, it's easy to carry around lecture halls and medical facilities. The latest Air comes in 13.6-inch and 15.3-inch versions, providing options for portability or larger screen real estate. The M2 processor handles multitasking, medical apps, and browsers efficiently. The Liquid Retina panel is bright and bold, ensuring clarity, and the Air's battery life lasts a full busy day. Its aluminum chassis ensures durability, and the keyboard and trackpad are reliable. While it has fewer ports than the Pro, it's faster, well-made, slim, light, and cheaper, making it our top pick for medical students. Number 2. Acer Swift 3 OLED. Clear screens are crucial for medical students who need clarity and precision, and no budget laptop is better than the Acer Swift 3 OLED. The anti-glare OLED screen is bright, bold, and accurate, making it an excellent choice for any medical student. The 2880 by 1800 resolution ensures ample on-screen space for multiple windows, and the Swift's affordable price is a tremendous start. Inside, Intel's Core i5 or Core i7 processors provide plenty of power. The i5 handles most workloads, multitasking, and many browser tabs, while the i7 is better for simulations and tougher tasks. Plus, this laptop has 16 GB of memory. 14 hours of battery life means the Swift can handle busy days, and its 3-pound weight is reasonable. Wi-Fi 6E, Thunderbolt 4, USB 4, and HDMI 2.1 ensure excellent connectivity. The Acer also has a webcam, fingerprint reader, and eco-friendly ocean glass trackpad. There are compromises. The Acer looks average, pricier laptops are sturdier, and its keyboard is soft. It also lacks a discrete GPU. However, these aren't deal breakers, making the Acer Swift 3 OLED a top budget choice for medical students. Number 3. Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch 2023. The MacBook Pro excels in every department, making it our top recommendation for medical students who need exceptional computing power for simulations, analysis, and other demanding tasks. The Apple M2 Pro and Max chips can handle virtually anything, and the Pro can be configured with ample RAM and storage. Its big, bold Liquid Retina XDR display offers high resolution and stunning quality, ensuring your medical diagrams and apps always appear clear and precise. The laptop features great audio-visual kit for easy communication, rock-solid connectivity, and plenty of ports. Apple's security features are impressive, and the battery life, at 20 hours, is among the best available, capable of handling even the most demanding days. Weighing just under 5 pounds, the Pro isn't particularly light, and the advanced M2 chips may be overkill for most medical students. Plus, it starts at $2,499, making it a significant investment, but if you want the best Apple has to offer, this is the laptop to get. Number 4. Dell XPS 17. A big screen makes it easier for medical students to study charts and diagrams and work across multiple apps, and the Dell XPS 17 excels in this department. The XPS 17 offers 2 display options, a conventional resolution and a pricier 4K touch display. Both deliver fantastic quality, accuracy, and brightness. Internally, the Intel Core i7 and Core i9 processors provide ample power for any medical task, with the latter recommended for intensive simulations and data analysis. NVIDIA GPUs are also available, facilitating creative work and gaming. The metal and carbon fiber XPS looks superb and has the build quality for busy days. The keyboard is crisp and satisfying, though it lacks a number pad, and the laptop includes plenty of ports, such as an SD card slot and 4 Thunderbolt 4 connectors. Impressively, the battery lasts a full working day. Weighing 5.37 pounds, the XPS isn't light, and prices start at $2,449, so it's not cheap. But it offers the best big screen experience for medical students and other users. So, which laptop is the ultimate choice for medical students? After careful consideration, the Apple MacBook Air takes the crown. Its perfect blend of performance, portability, and battery life makes it an ideal companion for your hectic med school life.